You just spend 3 hours detailing your car until the paint looks like a liquid mirror. You park it outside for 10 minutes. Suddenly, a bird decides your hood is the perfect target. It is enough to make you want to give up on car care altogether. Then a video pops up on your social media feed. You see a device that looks like a sleek little box sitting on your roof. You press a single button. The device works like magic. Your car gets wrapped in a protective cocoon in exactly 8 seconds. This is the promise of the Rovera Automatic Car cover. It sounds like something straight out of a high-tech spy movie. No more wrestling with giant sheets of fabric. You know the struggle. Those manual covers never fold back the right way. You get your clothes dirty as you stretch them over the dusty bumper. This gadget claims to do all that heavy lifting for you. It even boasts a loud alarm system. If someone tries to mess with your ride, a noise loud enough to wake the neighbors kicks in. We are talking about over 100 decibels of pure deterrent. There is even talk of integrated location tracking for extra security. It sounds like the ultimate peace of mind for anyone who parks on the street or in a driveway. But before you pull out your credit card, we need to talk about the strange things happening behind the scenes. The internet is currently a wild west for this specific product. You can find one site selling it for the price of a cheap dinner. Another site wants hundreds of dollars for the exact same thing. That kind of massive price gap is a giant red flag. When you see a high-tech motorized device listed for under 50 bucks, your internal alarm should be ringing. Where are the actual reviews? I'm not talking about the glowing comments on the company's own page. I mean real people on video showing the product in their own driveways. We need to see how it handles a windy day. We need to see it survive a heavy rainstorm. There is a strange silence from the big names in car gear. No major retailers are carrying it yet. No trusted automotive experts have put it through its paces in the real world. It is just a flurry of flashy ads and suspicious websites. We all want an easy fix for our problems. Protecting a car from the sun is a massive chore. The heat can ruin your interior. The sun kills your paint over time. This product targets that exact pain point with surgical precision. It offers safety and convenience in one package. But the reality of building a reliable motorized system that can live outdoors is expensive. If the tech was really this cheap and reliable, every car on the block would have one. The concept is clever. We have seen similar ideas for car tents before. However, the execution is what matters most. If you buy a cheap version, you might get a plastic brick that breaks in a week. You might even give your personal info to a site that vanishes tomorrow. It is a classic situation where you have to be careful. Stick to brands with a real history. Do not let a slick video distract you from basic logic. If a deal feels too good to be true, it probably is. Keep your eyes open. Your car deserves protection, but your bank account does too. Do your homework. Look for third-party proof before you buy into the hype. Stay smart and keep your car safe the right way. Your vehicle is an investment and you should treat it like one. Don't let the dream of a push-button solution turn into a nightmare of lost money and broken promises. Take the time to verify every claim before you commit to a purchase. Real quality usually has a trail of happy customers you can actually find. Until that happens, proceed with extreme caution.